This video explains how to create a mail disclaimer through HostingController. A mail disclaimer or email disclaimer is a warning or a legal notice added to an outgoing mail. It is a paragraph or a piece of text appended to the bottom of the outgoing mail and informs recipients about confidentiality, copyright, or certain privileges. It is also referred to as an email footer or an organization signature. The Exchange server handles disclaimers through mail flow rules, also known as transport rules. To add a disclaimer, you need to create a mail flow rule with an action that adds specific text to email messages. HostingController allows you to append or prepend mail disclaimers to email messages sent through Exchange. To create a mail disclaimer, log into the control panel as the tenant admin, also known as the customer. You will land on the dashboard. Navigate to the left menu. Click the Provisioning drop-down and hit the Exchange menu. From the list of organizations, select the organization under which the mail disclaimer is to be created. HostingController allows only one disclaimer per organization. Hit the drop-down and click Mail Disclaimer. To create a new mail disclaimer, click the Add Mail Disclaimer button. Select the location of the sender. The sender can reside in the organization or outside of it. Select the location of the recipient. The recipient can also reside in the organization or outside of it. The recipient can also be in an external partner organization or in an external non-partner organization. Specify the disclaimer text. Choose whether to append the disclaimer at the end of the message or to prepend it at the beginning of the message. Finally, choose a fallback action for the disclaimer rule. Sometimes disclaimers can't be applied to messages, for instance if the messages are encrypted. For such cases, you need to specify what to do. You can specify 3 fallback actions. The ignore action ignores the rule and delivers the message without the disclaimer. The wrap action creates a new email message with the disclaimer and adds the original email message as an attachment. The reject action returns the message to the sender in a non-delivery report. Then, click the Add Mail Disclaimer button. A new mail disclaimer will be added. Once the disclaimer is created, it will be visible under the Mail Disclaimer section in the panel and can be edited, disabled, or deleted. Disabling a disclaimer through HostingController will disable the disclaimer rule under the Mail Flow Rules section in the Exchange control panel, while deleting it will remove it completely from the Exchange control panel. HostingController also allows you to track down various operations and record events through its audit logging facility. Audit logs are only available to the global admin. To view the event log for the mail disclaimer, log out to the admin user. Click the Configurations cog on the top and hit the Audit Logs menu under System. Select the tenant who created the disclaimer and hit the Audit Logs button under the Actions column. You will find a complete log of the disclaimer with the kind of operation performed, the timestamp, the IP log, and the action type of the CRUD operation. You may also view the full details of the log. HostingController provides APIs for all its operations. It also provides APIs for Exchange mail disclaimers. These APIs can be used by DevOps to automate their workflows. They can use any scripting language capable of calling REST APIs. HostingController offers the following API methods for Exchange mail disclaimers. To view HostingController APIs, follow the link below. Insert warnings, copyright, and confidentiality notices into your outgoing Exchange email and stay compliant with various legal and regulatory requirements. Try HostingController today.